Welcome to section 1 of internal auditor training program. In this we will discuss about audit and auditors. That means what is an audit. We'll discuss about what are the different types of audits and what are their purposes, how the purpose of audit makes the type of audit different, the valuable roles that our internal auditors play, and the key characteristics or traits that we expect in internal auditors to make them more effective. We will by exploring this in detail, we will get a deeper understanding of what audit process is and what amazing work our internal auditors do and can do. Now we will discuss about definition of audit a bit more in detail. The systematic, independent and documented process. Systematic, independent and documented process for obtaining audit evidence. Obtaining audit evidence and evaluating it objectively against the audit criteria. So the two keywords that we are talking about here is audit evidence and audit criteria. So audit evidence can be any record or a fact or a discussion which can be from a responsible person of authority, or we have a witness to verify that discussion can be considered as an objective evidence. The whole idea is evidence should be a cross verifiable. That's we are talking about. When we talk about audit criteria, it can be a policy, procedure, or even the most importantly ISO 9000 criteria and requirements itself. So the audit is understood well if you understand that evidence is the most critical thing which should be cross verifiable, and criteria is the thing or is a requirement which organization buys into. Doing audit in an organization can have different purposes. Based on the purpose, its type gets decided. For example, if the management itself wants to know how much my quality management system is adhered to, or what is the effectiveness of quality management system, management appoints a team for identifying, and the team reports it to the management itself. Such audits are called as first party audits, or also called as internal audits that we are talking about. The second type of audit is called as second party audit, also called as supplier audits, in which the organization appoints a team to visit suppliers to evaluate their capability to continuously supply good product. We also face such second party audits if the customer is visiting us to verify that we are good suppliers or not. Such audits have interest of the some other organization in you, and largely business interest or supply interest is there. So this is clearly one organization visiting another organization for a business interest, that is called as second party audit. On the other hand, the third party audit are also called as certification audits. For example, auditing agency or certifying agency visits an organization to evaluate its quality management system meets the standard ISO 9000 requirements or not, and based on which awards the ISO 9000 certificates to a company. That audit is called as third party audit.